The vocabulary word we are exploring now is installed. Installed. Have you ever felt the satisfaction of putting something in its place, making it ready for use? The word installed captures that, making things functional and complete. Let's understand its meaning, examples, and listen to a short story about how being installed can also mean belonging. Meaning of installed. Installed means put into position, set up, or made ready for use. Examples: the new lights were installed in the living room. The computer was installed in the office. He felt truly installed in his new role as team leader. Short story. Jake felt out of place when he started at a new company, like a piece that didn't fit. But after a month, with help from colleagues, he felt installed, settled, valued, and a part of the team. It was like finding a space that felt made for him. Sometimes belonging doesn't happen instantly. It's built moment by moment until one day, you realize you're right where you're supposed to be. Being installed isn't just about things or places, it's about hearts finding their space, making a home where connections can flourish and belonging can take root.